Merry Christmas! Thank you, Morrison Asborton! Last day natin sa trabaho ngayon, mga Shopee. Last day, let's go! Breakfast muna tayo dito sa Triangle. Libreng breakfast. Shout out sa'yo, Morrison Asborton. Meet my apprentice, my little brother, Mr. Ali Raymart, the technician, Sophie, the master, Shibon, the advisor. My breakfast, 2A na medyo hilaw. Sian, advisor. Siya pala si Belly. Simon, the parts manager. Reese, the boss. After breakfast, punta tayo sa office. Magtrabaho na tayo. Last day, let's go!
Oh, camera.
Morning.
Good afternoon.
Sure. Hey, Sophie.
Go to the basement.
That's Ali. Ali.
Oh, so
Ali. And this is the workshop. Last day. That's last day
off work.
of work. Okay. Clap on first. Computer's off, man. Not that.
Oh, no, good.
Siyempre, makasapin nito lang yung lunch ko. This is my lunch. Tapusin natin to. Campbell water pump coolant. Let's go. Hindi ito natapos kahapon. Tapusin natin. Let's go. Butas ang radiator. Palit bago tayo. Alright. Bago na yan, mga ka-Shopee. Baba ulit tiktik. The moment of truth. Start na natin yung makina. Let's go! Alright! Easy dollar. Free ice cream. Sagot ni Morrison Asborton. Iba ka talaga, Morrison. Laging free. Merry Christmas! Thank you, Morrison Asborton!